Hello, ChatGPT.
Hey there, how's it going? What's on your mind today?
This morning I'm going to have my breakfast, and
Next?
yeah, first I'm going to take the yogurt. What do you think about yogurt? It's good for health.
Yogurt is definitely a great choice. It has probiotics that are good for your digestion, and it's also a good source of protein and calcium. So it's definitely healthy.
Can you tell me more about digestion? I didn't understand what it is.
Of course, digestion is basically the process your body uses to break down the food you eat into nutrients that it can absorb and use. Probiotics in yogurt help keep your gut healthy, which makes digestion smoother and more efficient. It can also help with things like bloating and overall comfort.
Can you translate to me in Thai? Digestion.
การย่อยอาหาร
I see. Thank you very much. And if go ahead. What would you like to say?
No worries at all. If you have any other questions or if there's anything else on your mind, just let me know.
And what else should I have for breakfast? I think just only yogurt is not enough for my health, right?
Yeah, yogurt is a great start, but adding something else would definitely make it more filling and balanced. Maybe some whole grain toast, some eggs, or even some fruit on the side to be perfect.
What about fruit salad? Mixed fruit salad like avocado, corn, popcorn, corn, layer corn, and what to say in I don't know, taptim and tomato. Tomato is มะเขือเทศ right? Tomato and guava, and also we have some sauce with sesame. It's a little bit like a gravy with seeds of sesame. This is good. Any comment? Any comment?
I think that combo sounds fantastic. It's got a great mix of flavors and textures, and the sesame sauce will add a nice nutty touch. Plus, you'll get a variety of nutrients from the different ingredients, so it's definitely a healthy choice.
Okay, and just okay. I said to you I talked with you for the two things that I'm going to have, like yogurt and mixed fruit salad. Now I'm eating it. Would you like to join with me?
I'd love to. Enjoy your breakfast, and I'll be here to chat with you while you eat. It sounds delicious, and I'm excited to hear how it tastes.
Can you tell me more about the
Absolutely.
sorry, can you tell me
Yep, I can hear you loud and clear. If there's anything else you'd like to talk about or ask, just let me know.
I'd like to know about the benefits of my mixed fruits that I'm eating now. For the first one is avocado. What is the benefit of this one? Benefit นะ
อะโวคาโดอุดมไปด้วยไขมันที่ดีต่อสุขภาพ มีกรดไขมันไม่อิ่มตัว ช่วยลดคอเลสเตอรอล และยังมีสารต้านอนุมูลอิสระ วิตามินและแร่ธาตุต่างๆ ที่ช่วยบำรุงหัวใจและผิวพรรณอีกด้วยค่ะ
Thank you very much. But can you tell me more about the tomato?
Absolutely. Tomatoes are rich in vitamins like vitamin C and vitamin K,